Yes, we're boarding a plane. Let's hope the chick passes the growth test. Excellent. Chicky can go with you, Lucy. Now it's Dino's turn. Oh dear.
Too big. Take him to the luggage compartment. I brought a comfortable carrier for Dino.
Unfortunately, Dino is too large to sit with you, Leo.
No, he will feel cramped there.
The carrier is very convenient for pets.
It won't be for long. Dino will be fine. Lucy, please find your seat.
Meow.
Is Chicky buckled in? Oh my. No, Lucy, the plane is about to take off. You must take your seat.
Running around when plane is taking off is very dangerous. I'm sorry.
That's better. Let's avoid any more mishaps.
Don't worry about Dino. He'll be taken care of there.
Oh dear. Dino seems overheated.
Meow.
Captain, Dino needs your help. Wonderful. The cool breeze will help him feel better.
Meow.
Would Dino like a drink? It's a stroll for you, Dino. All right. Haha.
Don't worry. It's just turbulence.
Delicious food has arrived. A burger for Leo. And spaghetti for Lucy. Uh-oh, Chicky thinks they look like worms. Oops! Chicky, that's not funny. Oh dear, this is troublesome. No, be careful. Yikes, the dishes! Phew, Chicky saves the day. Lucy, ensure Chicky's buckled up again.
You can't play around and litter on the plane.
Wow, wiggly worm spaghetti, haha.
I'm sure Dino is doing very well now.
Meow.
Dino's having a great time, isn't he?
Meow.
Look, Leo, Dino's here. Although, he seems to have missed you, haha. It appears we're going on holiday, yippee.
I'm afraid of flying.
I'll help you. It's not scary.
Sit with Lucy. She'll take care of you. No, puppy. You must buckle up. If you don't, you might fall. Lucy, can you assist him? Now we're safe and comfortable. Off we go, up and away. What's troubling the puppy? Lucy, tell him about the safety rule.
Window blinds need to be opened during takeoff and landing. Am I right, Mommy? You are right, honey.
Someone's feeling hungry.
Don't worry. Everything you need is here. Am I right?
It's time for a delicious snack. Haha! The power of the puppy.
If you need something, just ask. What would you like to eat? More.
Enjoy your food. Oh no, what's happening? Ah, the puppy needs to go to the bathroom. Walk slowly, don't run. You'll need to wait. Someone's using it. Look!
If there is a red line on the door, then it's occupied. Am I right?
Of course.
It's green. Now you can go. Everyone is relaxing now. Yikes! We're heading into a storm.
I'm scared.
Don't be afraid, honey. It's just turbulence.
Stay calm. It will soon pass. Yeah, it's a clear sky again. Kids, look, we're landing. Did you have fun?
I won't be afraid of flying anymore. Thank you.
Haha, flying buddies forever. We're going through the airport X-ray security check. Lucky, please step out. The X-ray machine has the ability to detect everything. Oh no, Dad is in trouble now. Lucky, you should not have done that. It's not safe.
You can't hide in suitcases.
Let's give it another try. No more unexpected surprises. Everything has been checked and is in order. Now it's Mom's turn. What is concealed in Mom's suitcase? It requires a closer inspection. Haha, that was a bit amusing. Yes, we should always remove batteries from our gadgets before packing them. Let's go back through the scanner. What? Is that an octopus? Who put that inside? Haha, it's just Mom's purple dress. Is it all right now, security guard? It's your turn, Lucy. Put on your backpack. Lucy, that's a potted plant, not a backpack accessory.
Plants are not allowed.
Let's start over. What's inside this time? Let's take a look. It has a nice scent.
This is my perfume.
Do not take toxic substances on the plane.
Fingers crossed that it passes this time. Yeah, it successfully passed the security check. Come on, Leo. Place your suitcase on the conveyor belt. Leo, are those snacks? What exactly did you pack in there?
You can't take junk food and a lot of liquid with you.
They need to be disposed of in the trash can. Leo, you packed a whole candy store. Ouch! No way. A tent? I hope you also packed your clothes. Let's go through the X-ray machine to have a look. Yeah, we all passed through the scanner without any issues. Leo, come on. Phew, what an exciting experience at the X-ray security checkpoint. Hey, candy store! Leo wants to come too. Please, we really enjoy candy. Yay, let's go. Yes, Leo, the escalator is really high. Step on carefully. Oops, you're doing the splits.
Leo, the escalator is always moving.
Grab Dad's hand and step on together. How do you feel, Leo? Haha, like floating on clouds. Wow, what's going on?
Meow.
Dad's got you, you're safe.
When using the escalator, always hold the handrail.
Hold on tight, Leo. What's wrong? Why are you scared? Ah, you're nearly at the top.
Now you should just step forward.
Come on, Leo. You can do it. Hooray! Great job! You rode the escalator. Do you also want to go to the candy store, Lucy? We'll wait for you.
Daddy! Leo!
Lucy, no. Wow!
Lucy, never run on the escalator.
What happened, Lucy? Oh no, you dropped your chocolate bar. Don't get too close to the steps. Lucy, stop. It's not safe.
Lucy, be careful. You can get stuck.
If something gets stuck on the escalator, you shouldn't try to remove it. Oh no, you might hurt yourself.
I will always be careful on the escalator.
It's candy time. Wait for me.
Huh? Meow. Yeah. I've lost two little kids. Yeah, we will find them. Yeah, ring. Hey, hey, hey. Don't move! You're under arrest! Do not play in the mall without parents. If you get lost, always contact the police officers. Meow, meow.
Thank you, officer.
Oh, Lucky, the butterfly wants to play. What's happening, Leo? No!
Don't do it! It's dangerous!
Be careful, kids! Stop that! Leave them alone! Hold on tight, kids! Leo, no. Well done. Mom's working hard. No, Lucky, it's dangerous. Yikes, it's falling. Mom, help!
No! Iron is not a toy. You can get burned.
Oh no, we need to stop the iron. Phew, well done, Mom. Stay away from dangerous things, Lucky. No, the socket isn't safe. Lucy, hurry!
No! It's very dangerous for babies.
Yikes, it's trying to shock us. What can we do? Yes, Lucy, plug it in. Haha, no more shocks from you. Be careful now, Lucky, no touching. Oh no, scissors aren't toys. Dad, stop him. Hurry.
Scissors are very sharp and can hurt you.
Go away, scissors, we don't want to play. Phew, just in time. There are lots of dangerous things around the house. Stay away, stay safe.
And the dinosaurs lived happily ever after.
Dreaming of dinosaurs. Hey, Leo, what's happening? Meet the Brontosaurus who loves bananas. But Lucy, Leo's hungry. How can we get those bananas? Looks like Lucy has a solution in mind. Whoops! All she's got are banana-shaped stars. Do you think the Brontosaurus will lend a hand? He's giving Leo a boost. Oh dear, now Leo's stuck in branches. Oh no, he might fall! But Lucy will come to his rescue. Oh wow, a friendly pterodactyl. Doesn't he seem pleasant? Yikes, not another mishap. Ooh, you did it! But now Leo's off for a flying lesson. Zooming high into the sky. My Lucy, you're way up there. No! It's a T-Rex. Run! Lucy is in danger. Leo! Quickly! The scary T-Rex is closing in on her. Where's Lucy? Uh-oh, his teeth are huge and sharp. Yet even he yearns for affection. Haha, go fetch, T-Rex. What a charming dinosaur daydream. You're covered in mud! Before you change, you need to wash up.
Whoa.
Stop!
A clean shirt doesn't want to get dirty too. Watch out! Now you're covered in feathers. Careful with the washing line. Oops, Leo's getting spun dry. Roll him back out, Mom.
What happened, Leo? My t-shirt is running away from me. Leo, no one wants to be friends with untidy kids. I'm clean.
You smell better now, too. Chocolate is for eating, not wearing. Yikes!
Oh, chocolate stains. A dress has come to life.
The dress wants to escape your chocolate-covered hands. We need to get you cleaned up. What's wrong? No, not the fish tank water! Stop! Lucy, you're too dirty. Oops, face splat. Now you're making the dress even dirtier. Uh-oh, where's the dress taking you? The dress wants to be cleaned. Too late, the water's running out. Oh, Lucy, that's not nice.
Here.
Alien alert. Whew, it's Mom.
She's got me dirty. Lucy, your clothes must be clean.
Let's take the dress to the washing machine. Sprinkle some soap powder. In you go, dress. Press the wash and spin button. Let's check. Wow, clean and sparkling. No more chocolate. Mike, look! Uh-oh, dumpster dive. Where's your helmet? You shouldn't touch things with dirty hands.
Hey, stop!
The helmet doesn't want to get dirty or smelly from the trash. Yikes! Now Molly can't see. Poor Molly. Where's the helmet gone? The helmet's taking you home, Mike, so you can clean up. No, Mike, you need to clean yourself, not the carpet. You're gonna suck the helmet to you. Look, Mike, the helmet's stuck inside. Yikes, dust cloud.
What's happened, Mikey? My helmet has escaped and it's now stuck there.
Can you get it out, Dad?
He smells terrible.
Mikey, if you get dirty, you need to wash up.
You have to be clean if you want others to play with you. Fresh and clean.
Yeah?
No one likes a smelly friend, right? Watch out! Be cautious! Wow, great job, Robot Kitty.
We are a rescue team, but no one will recognize us. What is this car?
They're too filthy to recognize. Leo, pick a cleaning tool. Let's start scrubbing.
It's a fire truck!
All rescue team vehicles have sirens.
Keep cleaning, Robot Kitty.
It's a police car.
Exactly, Molly. Police officers protect and assist us.
What is this car?
Which cleaning tool now, Leo? The sponge will scrub it clean. What's that?
It's a fire truck!
Fire fire trucks aren't the only rescue team cars colored red.
Which emergency vehicle has a red cross?
It's an ambulance.
That's correct, Lucy. The ambulance transports sick people to the hospital.
Yeah? Whee!
It definitely has to be a fire truck.
What's next, Leo? The mop will wipe away the dirt. Uh-oh, careful, the mop is stuck. Fire trucks extinguish fires, right, Mike? Robot, don't pull too hard, it might break. Oops, mop tangled. Oh no, the robot is damaged and broken. Watch out!
Oh no! The robot is broken!
He's spraying everyone away. How do we revert him? Yikes! He's taken the rescue team's colors. That stopped him. Are you going to spray him, Mike? Aha, that tricked and caught him. Yippee, web trapped. Great job, rescue team. Phew, he's repaired.
Sorry, I've stolen your colors.
So let's return the colors to the rescue team cars.
Choose the correct colors, Leo. Leo, are you certain they're right?
Yeah.
Oh no, fire trucks are frozen in blue ice. The ambulance is flowery pink. And the police car is flaming orange. Leo, you've used the wrong colors. Try again. Let's verify. The fire truck has its color back. So does the ambulance. Yay, now the rescue team is set to go.